Introduce highlight features or overview about HAOKEO Upgrade Dual Backup Camera, 7-inch Monitor Kit, HD 720p Monitor, IP69 Waterproof, Reversing Rear View Camera. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview are include Super Night Vision and IP68 Waterproof. The backup camera for truck adopts IP68 level waterproof design with excellent waterproof performance, which is able to work normally in all kinds of bad weather conditions. At the same time, the backup camera comes with 18 infrared lights which can have super night vision function. Stable signal transmission. The wired backup camera adopts wired transmission, which makes the signal more stable and reliable compared to wireless backup camera transmission. This avoids signal interference and delay, ensures that drivers get real-time and accurate reversing image information, and improves driving safety. Dual-channel camera system. This backup camera system includes a 7-inch monitor that supports 2-channel inputs, allowing you to add a second camera as a front or side view camera to view more blind spots. DIY parking grid lines and image flip. The backup camera for RV lets you adjust the parking grid lines to make reversing easier and more efficient. 720p HD and 130 degrees wide viewing angle. The rear view camera have a 720p HD display that provides a clear, true-to-life image display, offering drivers a clearer view of the reversing vehicle. 130 degrees of field of view covers a wider area, reducing dead spots and improving safety. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.